Good morning, Vlogmas Day 7. So we are up and at 'em this morning. Y'all, it's cold. So we got up and got dressed because we were freezing in our pajamas. So I have like a onesie on Raina. Ava has on like a little Nike sweatshirt. I'm living in South Florida and Alexa told me that it is 48 degrees outside today. I think the high is like 60 something, so it should warm up a little bit. And the low is like 44. But you know, for South Florida weather, that's cold. Anyway, Ava is trying to find her elf on the shelf. Her name is Bungie. Ava, you can't find Bungie? I think she's over there somewhere. Over there. You want to go find her? Let's see if she can find her. You can't find Bungie? You're looking for her everywhere? Okay, let's see where. Maybe she's over there somewhere. I don't know. Check all your spots. No, she's not in the tree. You gotta look everywhere.
This not Bundy.
Nope, that's a snowman. Where could she be? Do you think she could be in the kitchen? I don't know.
No.
You can't find her in there either? All around. Where is she? Oh, you found her! Bungie's always watching you. So we're gonna make some pancakes this morning. Ava, are you gonna help me make pancakes? We're gonna do it the easy way. We need a bowl. We need some pancake mix. And just water. That's it. So you wanna pour it in there? Okay. So you gotta use 2 hands. And you just pour it in. I think that's enough, right? Because there's not too many of us. Okay. So it looks like Raina's going to have to help us cook because she was a little fussy down there in her walker. So now, Ava, we're going to add some water. Mommy needed to add some water. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Wait, Mama.
No.
Wait,
No, don't touch it. And you want to whisk?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You just stir it up.
Okay.
Let me get some more water for you. Ooh. Let's see. Let me put more water for you. Stir it some more. Stir it really good. Yes. Hey, Rainy.
Hi.
You making some pancakes? Raina, you want to sit and watch? Raina's going to watch too. Okay, so you just stir it up nice and good. Ooh, good job. Hold the bowl so it doesn't move. Good, you're such a good sous chef. Okay, I'm going to add just a little bit more water, okay? Want to take this to the sink? Go put it in the sink. You're a big helper. Now we're going to move over to the stove. gonna do the hair mask today just because it is it's very cold for, you know, South Florida weather, and I don't want to have that hair mask sitting in Ava's hair for a long period of time. So I'm still gonna take her hair out, but a little bit later on. Instead, Ricky's actually heading back to the house now. He has to drive up to Palm Beach for work, so we're just gonna ride with him and just hang out for the day. So I'm nursing Raina now. Ava's eating her breakfast, and then we're gonna go ahead and head out. So I fed Ava, but I didn't make myself any breakfast, so I stopped here at Starbucks so I could get something to eat. Ricky's waiting in the car, and it's like super empty in here. The drive-through was like ridiculously long, so I stopped here inside instead, and I got a praline latte because I want to try all the like holiday drinks. So I got a praline latte, but without the whipped cream, hot, and I got a little like bacon sandwich or whatever. I'm hungry. Ava, what you got here? Ice cream. Ice cream. No bad panty. You did a good job. We had a little fun-filled day. We went to we rode with Ricky for work, and then we just hung out a little bit. Look at sleepy head. Raina.
Stanky toes.
Hi, Rainy.
Stanky toes.
Oh my goodness! Look at your clothes. Let me see the other side of you.
I don't see no wipes.
Other side. Oh, and the cup holder. Oh, you talking about the bag of wipes I had? Oh, it's in the diaper bag.
I don't get cookies.
Oh, look. I gotta stay off of Amazon, y'all, and ordering stuff. Hi, Raina, you had a good little nap? A nappy nap? Guys, so we just got back from riding with Ricky for work, and now I need to start taking Ava's hair out, and I got a couple packages that came. I think one of them is going to be our Christmas backdrop. Oh, so let me tell you what we're doing. Tomorrow we're going to do Christmas pictures for all the grandchildren. So Ava, Marcus, and Raina. Ava, come here. Come here, baby. Ava, Marcus, and Raina are going to take Christmas pictures. I ordered a backdrop from Amazon. I think that's what one of my packages are. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up because it's probably going to need to be like steamed or something like that. So I'm going to open that up, get that going, and start taking Ava's hair out for tomorrow because I want her hair to be out tomorrow.
I want my beer.
You want your what?
My beer.
Your bear? Ava just, okay, so these are Ava's counting bears right here, right? And she just dropped one. So she just got up out of nowhere and said, I have an idea. So let's see what she's going to get. You have an idea, Ava? What's your idea? You have an idea on how to get your bear? Oh, she's 2, y'all. That's how you're going to get it? How do you know that that's how you can get it? I think you have to bend down.
Okay.
And then, oh, it sounds like you just pushed it back. Oh my God. Oh, you got it. Wow, Ava. Impressive.
I got it.
You got it. Ava, you are so, uh-oh, careful. You okay? Okay. You are so smart. Are you going to go take your broom back now?
No.
Are you going to play with it? Oh my goodness. You're so smart, baby. How many bears do you have? Can you count them for me?
1,
Uh-huh.
2,
Uh-huh.
3.
Good job. Alright guys, so I want to show you the hat that I ordered from Amazon. I'm actually really impressed. So a lot of times when I go exercising, because I live in South Florida, I like to wear a hat to kind of cover my face from the sun.
Okay, here.
But my hair, it won't always fit in the little part in the back of the hat where people will pull their ponytail through. Let me see, Ava. So I found this hat, hold on baby, on Amazon where you can have the back of your hair out. I love the front. I think it's super cute. It says curls or crowns. And the part that is even better is she put satin on the inside. And for all of my curly girls out there, you know that is a staple. You don't want to put cotton or like textured fabrics on your hair because it'll dry it out, one, and it leads to breakage. So I thought that was really cool. So I had to share that with you guys. And basically it just looks like this. You put it on, pull your hair through.
I love it.
Done. I love it.
You love it?
I do. Do you love it? You love it? You love it? Let me see. Boop. All right. Look at that. You're so cool.
I like
Oh,
clothes.
so cool.
Yeah.
What you got there?
I love fiber.
A butterfly ball. Cool. Can I have a high five? High five. All right. Something else that came was the kids' backdrop for their Christmas pictures tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up and make sure that I have everything that I need and like wrinkles are out and all that fun stuff. Backdrop up and I had to play with it a lot of bit. I'm not really feeling it, so I'm about to go pick up my friend Bianca's camera now because I definitely feel like it will look better with the real camera. And you know, I don't have a camera. I do everything on my phone. I'm hoping that somebody's going to be getting me a camera for Christmas. No, I am getting my camera for Christmas finally. But until then, I'm going to go get my friend Bianca's camera. And I think I'm going to stop past like Walmart or Target and get a couple of props. I didn't really think this all the way through, y'all. I just bought a backdrop. But we're going to work it out. I'm going to make it look like something. All right, you guys. So I just got back from picking up my friend's camera. And I ended up making a pit stop to Walmart because I told you I wasn't feeling the backdrop. So I went in there. I got some boxes and wrapping paper. And then, of course, I saw something else. And then I saw something else. And then we needed stuff for the house. So I ended up staying at Walmart for like, I don't know. I was in there for like maybe 45 minutes. So it's now 9 o'clock at night. I'm about to go in the house, start wrapping up some of this stuff, and see what I can come up with for tomorrow. I spoke to my sister-in-law, Marcus's mom, and she has some things at home that we can possibly use for props and a steamer because mine conked out on me, so I can't steam the backdrop tonight. Yeah, so I'm gonna see what I can get done and we'll see what we come up with.